Okay, students. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is HCF and LCM. Okay. And today we are going to begin with HCF and LCM. Okay. I hope you all are ready. I hope you
Yes, ma'am.
are. Okay, beta. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. So first of all, we must understand the meaning of HCF. Okay. Uh, Yes. What is the
Yes,
meaning
ma'am.
of HCF? First of all, we are going to discuss about its full form. Full form of HCF. That is
Highest common factor.
very good. The full form of HCF is highest common factor.
Common
Okay.
factor.
And the meaning of HCF is, can you read from the screen, Rudra?
The HCF of two or more numbers is the greatest common factor of the given numbers.
Very good. So, beta, first of all, you must understand this thing, that for finding out the HCF, okay, you need at least two numbers. At least two numbers. Two or more numbers you are required. Okay. Then you are going to compare two things. Then you are going to compare. So in that case also you need two numbers, at least two numbers. Okay. You cannot compare a single number now. Yes or no? It means
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
going to require two different numbers. Okay. So what is the meaning of HCF? HCF of two or more number. That's why we have written down here two or more numbers. Okay. So HCF
Yes, ma'am.
of two or more numbers is the greatest common factor.
Greatest common
This is the
factor.
common, but the greatest common. Common factor तो है, but it is also the greatest common factor, or we can say the highest common factor of a given number. Clear? Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
So now, how we are going to find out the questions? With the help of this example we are going to solve. Okay, beta. So here, suppose in a given example, we have to find out HCF of two numbers. Again, two numbers are given.
Yes, ma'am.
Which two numbers are given here? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Which two numbers are given here?
12 and 18.
18. 12 and 18, two numbers are given. Okay. So here,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
we are going to find out? Beta, first of all, you must understand this thing also, that you are going to use two different methods. You are going to use two different methods, and it depends upon the question, which method they are asking. Okay. Anya Chauhan, somebody is just behind you. Okay. You know this thing that no other family members
Okay.
are allowed in front of camera, so take care of these things, beta. Okay. And Bhavya Singhal, keep your camera on. Bhavya Singhal, keep your camera on. Yes. Bhavya and Jasleen, quickly keep your camera on. And Shreyansh, sit properly. Shreyansh, sit properly. Okay, okay. So, students, so what we are going to do here, first of all, we must understand which method is asked from the question, which method we are going to apply for finding out the HCF. Means the two different methods can be applied here. The first one is which we have already done, that is the common division or multiplication method. We can solve the questions with the help of common division method. Okay. Or the second method is prime factorization method. That is that we have already learned how to find out the factors through the prime factorization method. Okay. These are
Yes,
two
ma'am.
different methods which we can apply. It depends upon the question. If nothing is given, you can opt any of the method for finding out the HCF. If nothing is given. Okay, beta. And if suppose it is clear that you have to find out the questions, you have to find out the HCF with the help of prime factorization method, then you have to use only and only the prime factorization method. Okay, it depends upon the question. Otherwise, it depends upon your choice. Okay, so suppose nothing is given here. Suppose nothing is given here, you have to find out only the HCF. Okay, no method is mentioned. So we have just used here the common division method. Okay, beta.
Okay.
As we have already learned how to find out the factors from the common division method. We have already learned.
Okay.
So can you
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me here what are the factors of 12? Yes. Yes. Pradanya, you are not visible to ma'am.
24,
Factors.
36.
Beta, you are telling me the multiples. No, no. Take care of these things. Factors of 12, ma'am is asking, not the multiples. Not the
Okay, okay.
multiples. Ma'am is asking about the factors. That is also given on your screen. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12.
12. So these are the factors of 12. These are the factors
12.
of 12. Okay. And similarly,
12.
we have already found out the factors of 18. And the factors
18.
of 18 are? Yes.
1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18.
18. Very good. So, what are the common factors here? Beta, dekho, as we have already discussed about this term, that is full form of HCF is highest common
Common
factor.
factor.
Okay, and let's start from the end of this particular word. So here, this is the combination of three words: highest, common, and
Common
factor.
factor.
Okay. So first of all, we are going to find out the factors, as we have already done.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one
Yes,
is
ma'am.
common. We have to find out,
Common
as we
factor.
have already found out the factors. Now we are going to find out the common among the factors. Okay.
Common.
So can you tell me what are the common factors here? Common factors:
1, 2,
1,
3,
3, and
6.
4. This 6. 6 is given now. 6 is given.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it means
Yes,
what
ma'am.
are the different factors? 1, 2,
1,
3, and
2,
6.
3, 6.
Yes. So these are the common factors. These are the common factors. Okay, beta. So
Yes, ma'am.
now we have already found out the common factors, but this is the time to find out the highest common factor. So can you tell me,
Common factor.
among these common factors, which one is the highest? Highest common factor. Can you tell me?
6.
6, exactly. Very good. So beta, this is the way to find out the highest common factor. Simple. We are going to follow 3 steps. First of all, we are going to find out the factors of both the numbers.
Okay.
Okay. And then we are going to find out the common factors. Okay.
Yes,
Common
ma'am.
factors. And among the different common factors, we are going to find out the highest common factor. That is our
Okay,
RCF.
ma'am.
Okay. So simple 3
Okay,
steps
ma'am.
we are going to follow. Okay. So here,
Okay,
beta,
ma'am.
Rudra, you can mute yourself. Okay. So this time, Shrishti is going to give me the reply. Yes, Shrishti, unmute yourself. Shrishti? Yes, beta.
ma'am.
So Shrishti, ma'am is going to start the same example, but with different methods. Okay. The second method is our prime factorization method. Okay. Same question we are going to take. Means this time also we are going to find out the HCF of 12 and 18. But here we are going to use prime factorization method. Clear, Shrishti?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay. Aditya, rotate your camera so that your face must be visible to ma'am. Up and down, not left and right. Yes. Now you are visible. Good. Okay, beta. So now we are going to proceed this particular method. Means we are going to find out the HCF by using prime factorization method. Okay. So here, first of all, we are going to find out the factors, as we have already done in the previous method also. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So here we are going to find out the prime factors. And we have already learned how to find out the prime factors. Okay. So here the prime factors of 12. Prime factors of 12 are, can you tell me?
Ma'am,
Yes.
2 multiply.
Yes.
2 multiply 3.
2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Very good. And the prime factors of 18. Prime factors
Ma'am,
of
2
18.
multiply by 3. 3 multiply by 3.
Exactly. 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Okay. So these are the prime factors. These are the prime factors.
Factor.
Okay, beta. But this time it should be clear to you that these are the prime factors, not only the factors. These are not only the factors. These are special qualities here. That is the prime factors. Okay, these are prime factors. That's why we have taken these terms in the multiplication form. In the multiplication form we have taken. Okay, so here
Okay.
So here, in the second step, we are going to find out what? We are going to find out common prime factors. What? Common prime
Common
factors.
prime factor.
Yes. So can you tell me what are the common prime factors here? From these prime factors, what are the common? That is common in both the factors.
2.
That is 2. So
Ma'am,
you can check.
2
You can check from
divided.
here.
Ma'am, 2 multiply by 3.
Yes.
Multiply by 3.
No, beta. What are you telling? You can observe from. You can observe from here. आप यहाँ से check करिए, ठीक है? So first of all, what are the two? What are the common prime factors from both the numbers? First of all,
Ma'am, 2 and 3.
exactly 2 and 3 means this 2 is common in both the numbers and this 3 is common. Clear, beta? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
2 and 3 is common. So here we can write down the common prime factor as 2 multiplied by 3. Okay. And when we are going to find out the HCF, that is the highest common factor, so we can multiply both the terms. We can multiply both the
And
terms.
the answer
and
is 6.
Answer will be 6. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
So it
ma'am.
means you have to find out the prime factor first of all. Then we are going to find out the common prime factors, and then we are finally finding out. We can find out the HCF. I hope the points are clear to you. All the steps are
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
from both the methods. Okay, beta. Okay. So now this is your turn to ask your query, students. Okay. So ma'am is
Now
just
can
going
I
to take your query.
myself?
Yes, Rishi, you can mute, beta. You can mute. And now, beta, you all can click on the raise hand button, those who are having any type of query from this particular topic. Okay, students?